In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture clear narration directly inside your project without needing any separate audio apps. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Once it's open, make sure you're logged in so your work saves to your account and syncs across devices. If you see a sign-in prompt, go ahead and complete that before moving on. Next, decide whether you want to add voice to something you've already created or start fresh. On the left side, you'll see options like your stuff and start new design. Choose your stuff if you're opening an existing project, or start new design if you're beginning from scratch. If you're starting new, click new design and select a canvas size or template that suits your project. Don't worry too much about the exact size right now, you can adjust your layout later. With your project open, look toward the upper left area of the screen for Add Content. This is where you'll bring in media elements. Click Add Content, then select Media from the menu. From there, choose Audio. This path tells Express you want to work specifically with sound. You'll now see an option to record. Click Start Recording. If this is your first time recording in Adobe Express, your browser or operating system may prompt you to allow microphone access. Grant permission so Express can capture your voice. Before you begin speaking, pick the right microphone from any available device drop-down if you use an external mic, and take a quick breath to settle into a steady pace. Recording tips. Choose a quiet room, keep a consistent distance from the microphone, and watch for any level indicators to avoid peaking. Speak clearly and at a comfortable speed as you record your narration. If you're reading a script, keep it nearby and glance ahead to stay smooth and natural. When you've finished your take, click Finish Recording. Express will place your audio into the project automatically. You'll see the clip appear on your timeline or canvas depending on your view. From here, you can play it back to check the quality. If something sounds off, maybe the volume is low or there is background noise, consider doing another take for the best results. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, log in, open or create a design, add content via media, choose audio, start recording, and finish when you're done. Save your project, and you're ready to pair your voice with visuals.